I wanted to make a special gift that was quick to assemble. See if you can guess what it's going to be about. I had this little container, but it had a garden theme. I wanted a country basket look, so I gussied it up with black checked and gold ribbons, and I think it worked like a charm. I inserted a wooden sign and floral foam as the structure for my basket. I added a set of 4 lovely sunflower plates and a crusty loaf of bread from the local market. Next, I inserted a bouquet of golden sunflowers. And finally, the pièce de résistance. A fondue kit imported from Switzerland, no less. I found it at my local natural food market. It turned out so cute. What do you think? It will make a romantic appetizer for 2. Or the foundation of a fun get-together with friends. Hey, no double dipping. You're supposed to dip in the cheese, put the bread on your plate, and then eat it with your own fork. Now, as to the history of fondue, are you curious? I was. Fondue was simply the survival food of Swiss herders stuck up in the mountains during the winter. They made it through with preserved milk, which is cheese, a bit of home brewski, and, of course, bread. In modern times, the Swiss cheese sellers made fondue the national dish, and it became world famous after that. Here's a couple of finishing touches. I added natural colored shred, or crinkles as I called them, to stuff the basket full. Here's the thing, a basket is about abundance, so it must look stuffed to the gills. I like an open-air basket, but there are reasons to include a basket cover, so I wrapped it up to show you how it could look. Which way do you like it? Check the description for more info on where I got the materials and basket items. Who wouldn't want to receive such a lovely gift? Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell for more gift ideas and beautiful month-to-month living. Don't forget to write a personal note. That's the most important part.